Hi, everybody. So, unlike the last 2 weeks, this time every group is going to have their different books. So, you will either have Mrs. Gleason's Records, or Norbito's Hat, or The Victory Garden, depending on what book your teacher assigns to you. So, you're going to, just like every week, go through and read this entire story, or listen to it if you need to. Whenever we get to the end of the story, we will be completing the questions. You will go to this writing tool. It has all of the questions up here. There is usually 3 or 4 questions per book. So we will type in a 1 and we'll type in the answer to that question. Type in 2 and then the answer to that question, and so on. And then once you have all of your questions there, making sure to use correct punctuation and capitalization, then you will hit submit. When you hit submit, it will automatically save into your binder and your teacher will be able to view your work. Okay, y'all have a good day. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye, guys.